So recently what I've started doing is anytime I work on a brand guide, I add a color chart where it states how many percentage of what colors you use and how to basically like apply them right in your brand applications so that you stay 1,000% consistent. Also, this also helps the designer not to like overthink too much, and the business also speak the same language basically. Whereas if you don't have any brand guide or like a color chart, you have to figure out what colors to use, what colors to use more, or which one to use on which background, what color to use for what and what not. Now, this helps me figure out what color goes where, what's like, which color has more weight in regards to the ones that I've used more and the ones that I've not used. And also, it just helps me work more faster. And as a designer too, whoever will use it will also find it more isn't it more efficient and helps with their work process. So here I'm just trying to create more depth for the brand, where I'm adding more shade and then working playing around the tints as well. So based on what I was working around, I figured out that I will use tint 7 plus or 8, that's positive, plus or 8, and then the shade will be -3 or 5. So this means that I basically just go to my color, click on the brightness, move the slide up and down. So when you go up, it add more brightness. That's your tint. So add like more white to your color basically, and then when you go down, it adds like more shade to your colors. So yeah, that's my color chart. So yeah, it adds white basically, and then when you go down, it adds more black to your color. So the lighter or the brighter your color, that basically means there is more tint in your colors, and then when it's darker, it means there is more shades, right?